Welcome to the online session Polarization BSc 4th semester Session 1 Polarization of Light. Introduction to Polarization. Terms used: plane of vibration. The plane in which vibration takes place is called plane of vibration. Plane of polarization. The plane right angles to vibration plane and containing the direction of propagation is called the plane of polarization. Light consists of transverse vibrations. In a beam of ordinary light, the vibrations are equally probable in all directions at right angles to the direction of propagation. There is thus perfect symmetry around the direction of propagation. If such a symmetry around is lacking in any beam of light, the beam is said to be polarized. In a beam of plane polarized light, the vibrations are all confined to a single plane containing the direction of propagation and containing the direction of propagation is called the plane of polarization. Polarized light and unpolarized light. So here questions. Question number 1. The plane in which the vibration takes place is called: option A, plane of vibration; option B, vibration of plane; option C, same plane; option D, none. Answer is option A, plane of vibration. Second, question number 2. In a beam of plane polarized light, the vibrations are all confined to: option A, single plane; option B, dual plane; option C, multiplane; option D, none. Answer is option A, single plane. Thank you.